Some mornings you wake up with that pressure on your chest, that uneasy feeling in the pit of your stomach. It's not fear, it's activation. And let me be clear, dream killers, they come in all forms. Friends, family, whoever. They don't clap. They don't understand. They always have an opinion and they always got something to say after you start moving. This season, I'm rebuilding with clarity, discipline, and zero apologies. And if you feel that shift in your spirit too, then you're in the right room. Rebuild, uncut. Let's get to work.